This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Faith.mormon. Prepare to fall in love. This 3-year-old home boasts of an open floor plan that will captivate you immediately. Kitchen is absolutely beautiful West/granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, 42 shaker-style cabinets, and slow-close drawers. Large primary bedroom that features a walk-in closet and bathroom with tiled shower and bathtub. Backyard offers just enough space to entertain and maintain west/deck and privacy fence. Located near I-64 and restaurants and shops. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.